Well now friends, the e-bike adventure continues. And now the hardest path is ahead, the mountains. I suppose that one of the bikes will not cope with the mountains. I was stunned, I'm just shocked with the descent. That was crazy. I was going 49 up the hill, then I lie down and I get 49.5. And I think, wow, that's cool! Now I can cover only 60 kilometers more. He's got tears. I even have tears. Oh really? You're on the mountains for the first time, Stas? Sure I am. I saw the mountains, at least the silhouette. We have some charge that is far from zero, and we can go further. I'm sure the concrete road ahead will show us some. You have never seen such mountain serpentine, guys. The engine heats, hum, but still go up the hill, like tanks. And if we start pedaling, the bikes will go as fast as wind up the steep hill. That is funny. From distance I thought you went for some water, with the buckets in your hand. That is cool, it's a high-tech village approach. Yeah, I feel great, it drives me up the hill easily. That's a really cool thing for the lazy. We have passed Koktebel. We're coming soon, Yalta. That is called the circus, guys! Stas still can't recover from the mountain path. Meanwhile, we have found a cafe to charge our bikes in some Tatar village. What do you think about our bikies? Okay. We have a record today. We almost reached Alushta. We are looking for a motel now. Actually, I barely stand on my legs. I'm tired. We were going whole night. We started at 9 p.m. and now it's 5 a.m. And all this time we were going 8 hours ride. We had some short stops to charge the bikes. Good day. Can you tell where we can stop for a night there? Do you know some place for cycle tourists here? You need to turn right, there are many houses. Great, thank you. Well, Stas has his wheel damaged. Some spokes flew out. We need a solid repair, man. I'll just tighten the rest of the spokes and that will do, I think. Man, your bike looks like it's going to fall apart. Rolling to the Yalta we on the e-bikes. We have found some place, let's find out if we can sleep there. Hi guys, second floor, and that building is like a maze. It's 5 a.m. and it isn't simple to find a room here. How many? We have covered 800 kilometers. On bikes? Sure. Holy mountains. No, it's okay. They're e-bikes. Where do we charge them? On the gas stations and whenever we can. We charge just everywhere we stop. Sounds good. We don't have actual problems with the charge at all. We are in. This room is just enormous. That's crap. I thought I lost my phone. Did you? I just thought. Stas just felt the emotions I faced yesterday. I had lost my passport. That is such a nice trip. Alright, now we're going to sleep. We think that this wheel is over. Look at the spokes. Are there really spokes now? We need to reach Yalta to fix Stas a little. If we reach it. We have to cover 60 kilometers. Let's ride. Look at this beautiful sea! It's a miracle! The road is steep here, but the bikes are stubborn enough too. People are lucky to live here. Don't even tell me, I heard in winter there happens some. I see an enormous cloud out the way. If it's rainy over there, we don't even care about it. Yeah, we have a special carpet in case, so we can hide under it and save our bikes. We have reached Alushta. The rain touched the city with its corner, but it didn't touch us. On the right corner on the left? There? Where? Right there, I don't know. Look at his rear wheel, he's jumping on it like riding a horse. That is surprising, but the more the speed, the less he is jumping. Hi there, can we use this socket? We need to charge the bikes and we have a wire and we need a half an hour and then we go out. Which socket? We just saw the spare one over there. Okay, try it. Thank you a lot. And the last one. 1300, let's add some. Now we will charge them faster. We spent just a minute to connect them. While we're charging the bikes, we can have a nice lunch here. We do it more than 10 times already, and still we don't have any troubles. We just ask people if we can use their socket. People are often afraid of camera first, but then they say yes and we can charge the bikes. It's no problem. We didn't pay for this yet, though we have suggested some money, but they just didn't take it. So we are riding for free. For free. We are just shocked. A man called us. He has found his passport. They have found my passport. I'm so excited. They have found it. Can you believe it? That's bombastic, I can't believe it myself. Do you? Oh my, it is found! Fancy that! I hope they could find it, but I didn't expect it to happen at all. Let's make a call. You the fancy, they have found my passport. What? I mean it, a guy found my passport. When we were in cash, I bought a new SIM card and I put here Alex's phone number. So when you meet there, we're going. Okay, good. I'm glad you found it, guys. I'll tell everyone we're gonna drink something for this. A guy that found my passport. I don't know your name yet. Great, thank you for this. You don't realize how much you saved me. Hello there. Hi, Anton. Yeah, well, you see, we're almost in Yalta. And you lost it on the road, right? Yeah, my worker has found it and gave it to me. We were working at night and put it in the office. Well, we have to pick it up somehow. Oh man, we lost it near the roadworks. Fresh road. When we stopped the first time. We should have come there again. We have found a subscriber near cache and he will keep it till we come by. Those Tatars leaving. Guys, we are in Yalta!
Whoa!
We have an accommodation trouble here. We can't find anything there. Go forward and forward and forward till the end stop here. Hey, don't film me, man. It's Kreosan channel, lad. Don't pee. Go forward through the one bus station and another bus station. Thank you, man. Thanks a lot. Bye. See ya. That is funny again. We have just arrived and there the fire alarm started. It's the evacuation. The motel called Beard. Do you know what even happened there? No. Okay, this means they just told you to get out and there you are. Was there any smoke? Yeah, really? There was. We stopped in the room 210 and nearby room was all on fire as the door was open. Oh my gosh. That is instant karma, because I came to the desk to get a room and the receptionist told me no passport, be on your way. And the same moment, the same time, at once comes the fire alarm. Can you imagine that? Well, if you do good, it will be back to you in future. We are still searching for a place to stay. It is 2 AM. But we are in Yalta, at least. That is just awesome that it did make it here. We didn't find a place to stay. We have charged the bikes on the older station. At dawn we have set off to the very top of the mountain to conquer the Petri summit. The waterfall is long and deep, but this guy in van is going backwards confidently, just using his wing mirrors. Oh really? There's a sewer hatch in the mountain. I think we're going to become wet. Breathe in this humidity. I see the waterfall for the first time now. I think I'm going to make a selfie, something.
Whoa!
It is so huge, I feel some goosebumps on my legs. That waterfall is really grand. I'm concerned about the bikes, you know. Don't worry. Look at this natural beauty.
Whoa!
Let me show you something. Okay.
Whoa!
Now look above.
Whoa!
Oh man, that is just wonderful. Oh yeah. I am all wet. How could you swim there? If you come closer, there you will feel it. You can just stand and then comes a spray of water. Look at the size. Holy bike, it's super big. We didn't sleep this night. Unfortunately, we didn't find a place to sleep. It's a cliff edge, but it's wonderful. That's beautiful. Now we're higher than the clouds, but the bikes are still alive. Stas's wheel didn't fall apart yet. We have got an idea. We hid in the forest, we went so far that no one could find us. And we wanna sleep well there. Not just in the forest, we are on the mountain. It's 1400 kilometers above the sea level. Fancy that, that's big. Let's make it. Oh, look at this. Oh, really? We've made a house. And it took us 5 seconds. That's it? You're welcome. Okay, let's sleep.
Это для жучков.
Well, we have covered 1000 kilometers, rode up a mountain, but it isn't over yet. We have to sum up all the expedition tomorrow and go home then. Right, what would you like to know about the trip? Next video will be answering your questions.